Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really exciting video. I am partnering with Fytoo glasses. They were very kind and sent me 4 pairs of glasses to show you guys. If you don't know what Fytoo is, they are a very affordable eyeglass company online. They have so many different frame options to choose from and they're all adorable. You can also get prescription lenses, blue light lenses, or even sunglasses. As an eyeglass wearer myself, I know that glasses are very expensive. I was very happy when I stumbled across Fytoo because they have affordable options for everybody. And I do have a code you can use to get 20% off your entire order, and that is EllaR20. And I will put that on the screen and in the description below. I will also have the links for all the glasses I'm showing you guys in this video down below as well. But I'm going to be showing you guys the glasses that they sent me, and we can style them together and try them on because they're actually adorable and you guys should all go and get yourself a pair. When I was picking out my glasses, I had one thing in mind, and that was fall because it's almost September. So I'm going to be trying on these glasses and showing you guys what they look like with outfits and proving that they are essentials to your fall purchase list and you need to go and buy some right now. Starting with the first pair of glasses, they all came in these really adorable little bags, and I'm happy about that because I remember one time I ordered glasses and they did not, and they were all scratched, but Fytoo is very prepared and they care about the quality that you get. And they also included little wipes in here for the lenses, which is perfect because my dog actually ate mine. Here are the first pair of glasses. They are the Harlan glasses in brown. These are super cute sunglasses. I've gotten so many compliments on them and I've worn them to so many games. I'm a new driver in high school and having glasses in your car is such an essential, and I've literally had these in my car ever since I got them. They're amazing quality and the lenses are super easy to see out of. And they make me feel really cool too. But they fit really well and they fit my style. I love them so much. I feel really stylish right now. Here are the glasses closer up. They're so cute and they're like this brown color. But first I tried them on with a little more summery kind of outfit, like a little crop top and jean shorts. And I love wearing sunglasses like when I tan or when I drive. And they're perfect for summer, even fall, because it's still pretty hot outside and it's going to be hot outside for a while. And I also had them on with this little cheetah print pant outfit, but they matched so well and they looked so good. Okay, I'm switching it up a little bit. I have some adorable blue light glasses. Again, they came in the cute little bag. But these are the Araminta in the tortoise shell, and they're actually adorable. Being a high school student, having to stare at iPad screens all day is actually really bad for your eyes. So having blue light glasses is such a lifesaver. And I know my eyes are going to thank me so much in the long run. But these glasses fit me so well. They're super cute and I love the little print. It's so adorable and I'm definitely ready to learn. Like, look at that adorable print. Tell me that is not the cutest thing you've ever seen. And you can see the blue light in it. Oh my gosh, I love this outfit so much, but the glasses make it 10 times better. It just looks so cute together and I feel very put together when I have these on. But these glasses are definitely giving fall and sweater vibe. And that is why I picked this outfit, because I thought they would go so good together. And then I have these little flannels, and again, the glasses looked adorable. But yeah, they're serving fall, and I'm here for it. I love fall, I love flannels, and I love these glasses. Okay guys, my third pair of glasses that they sent me are these adorable sunglasses. I love this green color. It reminds me of like a Pinterest model. And I really like them. Like, I could go to the art museum right now and like tell me this is not stylish. Like, I feel like I'm gonna go in New York or California, or like I'm a movie star and I feel like I've seen Olivia Rodrigo or something with glasses very similar. So obviously I wanted these. But they fit really well and they're super cute. Again, I've gotten so many compliments in these glasses and they fit so well. I'm really happy with the quality of them. And I especially love the little pink on the side because I am a lover of pink and it matches my sweatshirt. But these can go literally with any outfit because they're actually adorable. These are the Nicole glasses in green. I actually got so many compliments on these glasses and I think they looked really good with this outfit. I originally had yellow sweatpants, but I don't actually know where I put them, so this will have to do. But my outfit looked really cute and I felt like a diva. Yeah, just thought I would say that. And again, with this little sweater, because the green and green, like, they match kind of. But these glasses are so cute, and they were just so fun, and I feel like I'm just like a little girl dressing up and playing around. It's so cute. My fourth and final pair are the Smith glasses in black, and I got blue light in these too because, again, I'm always staring at screens, and I love blue light glasses for school. If you don't go to school, work, because I know a lot of people work by computers. But again, these glasses are really cute. They're black, chunky framed, and they're actually adorable. But they make me feel like a little fashion designer. I don't know why, but like they give off those vibes. I feel like I'm gonna sew an outfit right now. But they're also cute as a stylish accessory. Okay, I feel like a businesswoman, and yeah, so the glasses match my jean shorts. I just thought it was like a sandwich method, or I don't even know. I just thought it would look really cute with this outfit, and they did. And yeah, they are super cute. But they're a little bit like big because my head's kind of small, so I just thought I would say that. And then I tried them on with my little cheetah print outfit, and oh my gosh, they are so adorable, and I look very put together, and they make my hair look really blonde. But definitely go and get yourself a pair because they are so cute. But thank you, Fytoo, for sending me all of those adorable glasses. The quality of them is actually amazing, and I'm not even joking. I usually worry about my sunglasses breaking, but these pairs have been through a lot with me. Through school, through my car, through my backpack, wrestling bag, through it all. And they're still holding up, and the lenses are not scratched. These glasses are great quality, and you always need glasses, whether it's prescription glasses, sunglasses, blue light for school or work. Check out Fytoo for cute, affordable glasses. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to like and subscribe. Also, use the link in my description to check out all the glasses that I showcased in this video, and use my code ELLAR20 for 20% off your entire order at Fytoo Glasses.